Ha? QOTV. Iya kasi lang. Ha?
Bakit ba tayo balik sa PsyOps na skinline, ha? And good afternoon, Espers! We have here our one and only event for this week, ang PsyOps Vending Machine. This time around, we have the same event as other Southeast Asian na server kasi as you all know, sa mga naka-follow and like sa aking page, naka-strike 3 sila sa events na hindi pinatry sa atin. They had Space Hunt, Janken King, and yung Lucky Crate nila nakaiba. So for our event today, it runs from April 23 to 29. So tignan natin if this event is approved na budol or kaya naman ay kupit. The mechanics for this event is very simple. You have single pull for 59 RP. And then meron rin kayong 5 pulls for a discounted rate of 249 RP. So nakatipid kayo doon ng 50 RP, kaya naman yun yung papatusin natin. Also, for the first draw, discounted yan. Instead of 59, 39 yan. And then instead of 249, 229 yan. Ang pwede nyo makuha dito ay orbs. Although not the Space Groove orbs or PsyOps na orbs. Pwede kayo makuha ng dalawa lang, Elite or Normal na orb. Ang Elite orb ay pwede nyo ma-redeem straight away, while yung Normal orbs, you need 3 of the same kind, magkaparehas, para ma-redeem nyo yung price na yon. And then pwede kayo mag-reroll as a last option kung di nyo talaga trip yung mga orbs na meron kayo. Reroll or reforge yun. Elite or normal, kahit ano yan, basta tatlo, for a free try para sa vending machine nyo. Tara, dive na tayo dito sa event natin, and this is not a refreshed event as far as I know. Game, 5 draws tayo. So, ang stash natin ay may laman na 5 out of 20. Try natin tong punuin, and then mag-combine tayo kung ano mga gusto natin kunin. Bah, parang bubuo ng bingo dito. Anong laro yun? Yung mag-drop-drop ka ng chips? With our 4 rolls na tig 5, ito yung mga nakuha natin. And medyo slim yung chance na makakuha ka ng elite na orbs. So as you can see here, this is our first try. 3 elite orbs, pero puro susi. Ang goal ko sana dito is makakuha ng Space Groove tokens, but unfortunately, makaka-redeem lang tayo ng 3. Sige nga. Try muna natin itong redeem normal orbs. Redeem. So for 100 tokens yan. Okay. Try natin mag-reforge. 1, 2, 3. Siyempre, huwag natin i-reforge ang elite natin na orbs. Then, reforge ulit. Nakita niya, may dumagdag na isa. Confirm. It looks like pag ni-reforge tayo is elite orb kagad ang lalabas. So, try natin ulit yun to prove my theory. Reforge tayo. And yes, mga elite orb nga ang lalabas. Then, redeem natin tong Masterwork Chest. Confirm. Currently, ang nagastos natin is 1245. Medyo hindi pa rin sulit yung mga nakakuha nating rewards. Try nga natin mag-reforge ng elite orb. Just for the sake of it, since susi naman siya. So, confirm. Naging susi na isa. Ayos yun na. Uy! Merong 975 na skin. Para lang mapuno. Okay, yan. Redeem tayo normal orbs. Mix and match. Reforge natin. Kahit masakit, since wala ka naman pupuntahan. Reforge. Ang susi. Yan. Yun. Isa-isa kailangan. Oh my goodness. Ayun lang ang pangit. And there we have it. Itali ko lang lahat ng mga nakuha ko. Parang nalugi ako So ang total cost natin is 1768 RP considering yung mga discounts natin for the single pull and yung 5 pull. And ang nakuha ko lang is 500 Space Groove tokens, Masterwork Chest and Key na 6, and isang Space Groove Orb. Nung tinali ko siya, assuming na isang Space Groove Orb is 230 RP, plus 6 na 200, so 1 to yun. Yung 200 is Masterwork Chest and Key. Mag-a-amount lang yun ng 1430 na RP. Although hindi pa sama dito yung Space Groove tokens na 500, and hindi ko kasi alam yung estimated cost nun. So feeling ko medyo nalugi tayo, and let's go to our analysis section already. Quick rundown na lang tayo ng event natin for our analysis. Ang daming nangyari pero the rewards are actually minuscule. Hindi guaranteed ang isang elite orb sa kada 5 pulls mo. If may ganun sana na at least 1 elite orb guaranteed per 5 pulls, baka sulit na siya. Another note is pag nagastos mo na yung discounted 5 pulls mo, yung discounted single pull mo ay nandun pa rin, as you saw sa bandang end ng pulls ko. Dapat hindi ka magtira ng normal orb sa stash mo if ever magtatry ka, and i-reroll mo yon para naman may elite orb ka, kahit isa lang. This event is not good for farming tokens Espers. Ang sobrang slim ng chance mo makuha yung elite orb na Space Groove Orbs 13 times o kaya naman yung skins ang laman ng elite orb. Nakakadismaya kasi ito nga lang yung event natin for the week, kupit pa. Final verdict for this one is a 1, pwede pa nga 0 over 10. Points for improvement siguro, sana pwede maklaim yung mga gusto mong elite orbs, hindi isa-isa kasi nakakapagod as you saw in my clips. Sana idagdag rin yung per 5 pulls, may guaranteed na isang elite orb. The cost is actually good already, it's just that ang dami mo pang dadaanan na proseso, tas malulugi ka lang pala. Again, total RP cost natin is 1768 RP, pero ang total ng mga nakuha ko na loot is around 1.6 lang siguro. Or, sige, 1.7 RP, lubos-lubos na yun. I do not suggest for you Espers to try this event, pero kung matigas talaga ulo nyo, nakita nyo naman yung nangyari sa akin, ayun na lang ang gawin yung basis. And for our QOTV featurette, big shoutout kay Sydney Javier on his answer. Grabe, pati yung runes completely mentioned and I would love to try this sa normal games ko. Next up, shoutout kay Saifa and Lord Touch Me. I haven't had a lot of games kay Rework Ramos pero agree ako na nawala yung weakness niya wherein magsistick siya sa potential na igagank niya via his SS. Mas nagamit ko kasi ulit now si Zac due to his buff W. Pero on paper and sa stats, he's not bad and is actually looking terrifying as a jungler. Next naman na shoutout kay Fato Pons Play League of Legends. Salamat sa suggestion and I will keep this in mind kasi wala pa namang na-set in stone for our 1K subs tournament. But what I can say is 1 versus 1 ulit ito. Lastly, shoutout kay Paulino de la Cruz. Thank you rin sa suporta mo and sana if magtatry ka ng budol events natin ay makakuha ka ng good shit na rewards. Maraming salamat sa mga sumagot sa ating QOTV. Sagot ulit kayo on this video's question. Well, na-prove naman yung theory ko na 3 normal orbs is equal to 1 elite orb for this event. Pero other than that, parang walang exploit or kahit anong katuwa-tuwa sa one and only event natin for the week. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe sa channel and sa videos ko kasi onting-onti na lang 1K subs na tayo. Magpapatour na ako so sana marami sa inyo ang sumali. This event is a meh, pero let's give them some slack. Baka naghahanap sila ng bagong way. Tipong limit testing kung paano pa kikilitiin ang mga wallet natin. I'll see you on the next event review and enjoy your weekend, Espers.